Hi guys! Hello mga ka-beshi, mga kapanga! Kamusta po kayong lahat dyan? And I really hope that you're all doing well. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nandito na naman po tayo sa panibagong info vlog on how to set up your own balikbayan box. Siyempre, may mga bagay talaga tayong hindi nakokontrol. And that includes the pandemic, travel restrictions, and ban. But, no worries, we just have to keep the faith that this will all be resolved and keep the positive vibes, diba? And one of the ways to show our continuous love and gratitude to our family members na sobrang namimiss naman talaga natin is through the balikbayan box. First step, order and secure your balikbayan box. There are so many services online available and marami ring okay na companies ang nagpo-provide ng balikbayan box and talaga namang sure ang punta sa inyong mga home address. But one of my trusted companies is DGRS balikbayan box. DGRS, baka naman libre na yung third box. Second step, choose the size of your box. Siyempre, upon searching online and even comparing, meron naman tinatawag na regular and large box. Sa regular size ng box, usually it will cost from 70 euro to 90 euros, but depending on the location of the collection as well. And usually, din naman sa large size, it will cost more than 100 euros. And me, personally, since this will be already the second time that I will be sending the box to the Philippines, large box na para bongga na rin ang pagpapadala. Sulit na sulit, di ba? Third step, prepare the materials for the cover of your box. Unang-una, I have this brown tape. So, I think yung binili ko is 4 to 5 pieces. And I got this from Eson. And this is only like 1.95 euros. Pero, mas mura sa deals because this is only 1.50 euros. Pero, nung time na pumunta ako, out of stock kasi. So, second option would be Eson. Second tape is napaka-importante. Mas matibay ito sa brown tape. And that includes the duct tape. So, me, personally, meron ding duct tape sa deals, pero mas manipis lang siya. And I personally go to Woody's. This already cost 14.99 euros. So, this is a twin duct tape. Medyo mahal siya compared dun sa brown tape. Pero, when I am covering the box, first layer is the brown tape and second layer is the duct tape to make sure that it is also sealed properly. And third material, and hindi mo na kailangan gumastos dito kasi sa bawat pag-grocery mo, lagi kang merong makikita na mga ganito. Used papers or magazines. So, unang-una, pwede yung newspapers or old newspapers na nakikita mo sa hospital, nakikita mo sa kung saan-saan na talagang libre naman. Second would be the used magazines. You can get it from any grocery stores here in Ireland. May it be from Lidl, Aldi, and also even Tesco, di ba? And dun sa first box ko, naalala ko, after ko lagyan ng tape yung buong box, and later, ipapakita ko sa inyo, nilagyan ko muna ng bawat iba't ibang magazine. So, nilapagan ko muna even the four corners of the box. Talagang nilagyan ko yan. Kahit yung used towels or even used newspapers, talagang makakatulong talaga just to make sure na hindi mayuyupi yung box and hindi matatastas yung dulo, matatastas yung likod or gilid kasi kailangan talaga secure yan. Yung tipong parang, di ba pag jewelry, yung binili mo sa isang store, talagang secured yan even with pillow inside. So, kailangan, ganun din, kailangan maging wais tayo sa pagpapadala ng balikbayan box. Fourth step, organize the materials inside the box. First step, kung magpapadala kayo ng shoes and gusto nyong i-preserve yung shoebox, make sure na talagang fitted and talagang swak na swak yung shoes na ipapadala nyo. Say for example, I have this Nike shoes and Isasama ko sana yung shoebox nito. But before ko ilagay yung shoes dun sa shoebox mismo, kailangan may laman at least yung loob nito para hindi ito na yuyupi. And dun sa shoebox, maglalagay din ako ng mga chocolate bars or even handy towels or kung ano pang maliliit na borloloy na pwede talagang ilagay doon. And before nyo i-close yung shoebox, maglagay kayo sa bond paper na nakalagay na old clothes, old shoes, or old towels para talagang safe din. Kasi guys, kailangan natin maging wais, kailangan natin make sure na makakarating talaga yung ipapadala natin dun sa mga pamilya natin. And wala naman ding masama kung maging safe and secure. So, I advise na maglagay kayo ng written note dun sa top ng box na old na yung materials na nasa loob. Second tip, guys, I highly recommend na use sandwich method when it comes to organizing the materials inside the box. So, syempre, dapat yung foundation muna ng box nyo is mabigat para talagang stable yan enough. Next would be yung medyo magaan. Third layer would be yung medyo mabigat or medyo magaan. And pinaka-top layer or yung talagang pinaka-dulo ng box is medyo mabigat din para make sure na hindi yun yuyugyog or hindi yan talaga gagalaw or tatabingi or mayuyupi upon receipt sa cargo. Third tip, secure the personal details in the box. Ako guys, yung ginawa ko dun sa unang box na pinadala ko is 2 copies yung nilagay ko sa each side ng box. So, meron yung full name, address, and also yung phone number na makaka-receive ng balikbayan box. And guys, importante na lalagyan nyo rin ng transparent tape yung details na yon in a bond paper and also make sure na meron siyang kabilang copy dun sa kabilang side. And why? It's because para secure na rin talaga yung information. Hindi natin alam guys kung ano yung mangyayari sa cargo. Pwedeng malagyan ng chemical or pwedeng mabasa na tipong mabubura na talaga yung details. Although may record naman yung DGRS, but it's very important and mas easy siya sa part na magde-deliver nito. So, always secure 2 copies of the personal details para secure na talaga at hindi na mahihirapan kayo pa. Fourth tip, when it comes to liquid containers or liquid things na talaga namang ipapadala nyo like shampoo, conditioner, or shower cream, I highly recommend to put a tape around it. For example, parang ganito. Para talaga namang sealed and secure siya inside the box itself. Para kahit pagulong-gulong pa yan inside the box, hindi yan agad basta-basta matatapon. Yun lamang po. Again, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng vlog na ito. Hopefully, makita ko na rin yung mga nurses na talaga namang kinakausap ko araw-araw dito sa Ireland and makapagpadala na rin kayo very soon ng inyong balikbayan box. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and if you found this helpful, kindly like and share as well. See y'all on my next vlog. Take care and God bless you all!